So this week I'm challenging myself to completely transform my wardrobe into only thrifted clothes. Okay, I know there's probably a lot of you out there saying, Monica, that's really not much of a challenge. I thrift all the time. But for me, I have never actually purchased any secondhand clothing ever in my life, ever. I'm gonna sound like a huge brat, I know, at least I'm aware. I always didn't like secondhand clothes because they just kind of grossed me out. There's a reason that the employees are literally wearing gloves. Like, think about it. People don't really always wash their clothes when they donate them. I know, I've done that before. And so the idea of like wearing someone else's stuff that, I don't know, maybe was like hiding in the back of their closet for a really long time, I could never get over like that weird feeling of this was someone else's and what are they doing it, and oh, it's just kind of grossing me out. Until this week when I decided to get over it. So first things first, we gotta go shopping. Over the course of a few weeks, I frequented several different secondhand stores looking for the perfect pieces for my new wardrobe. I found some great hits and a lot of misses. In the beginning, I was definitely having a hard time. I found myself picking out items that I felt were just okay, but I wasn't really in love with them. Or things that looked okay on the rack, but not good on me.
The sleeves,
that's for someone else.
Yeah, the sleeves are a little long.
This is gonna be I look so dumb. Personally, I found a good pair of jeans in particular very hard to find.
I'm looking for something like these. For like high-waisted pants. I just never wear jeans like these.
Yeah.
But one thing I did learn, jean jackets are a gold mine at Goodwill. It's like, why even buy one new when they have so many great ones there? After a lot of searching, I did start to find some really cute pieces.
Move on. Not bad.
Oh yeah, that looks so good.
This is like a super cute goodwill sweater.
Oh yeah.
I'd say I walked away with some stuff that I really like, and it wasn't so gross like I thought it'd be.
Are you happy with your purchases?
Yeah, I think I am.
Thank you. I'm back from my first thrift shopping trip. I got some stuff at a consignment store, and I also went to the good old Goodwill. So I'll show you what I got. At the Goodwill, I got a pair of jeans. They're just high-rise jeans, medium wash, straight leg. These were $12.99. They fit me a little bit big. Doesn't even like say the brand. No sign of a brand anywhere. Then I got a jean jacket. This one is just a medium wash. It was by the brand Oshkosh, which I'm pretty sure is also like they make children's clothes, and I definitely used to like totally want Oshkosh bagosh clothes when I was like 8. This one was a bit more pricey. This was $14.99. Then I found this really cool bright red silky wrap top. It's long sleeved. It's got these really long wraps, so you could wrap it in the back, the front. Really, really cool, super cute. This was $7.99. And then lastly, I got another jean jacket. This one was way more expensive. This one was $29.97. Like, here I am at the Goodwill thinking I don't have to check the price tag, and the jacket is like 30 bucks. That was surprising. This is by Calvin Klein. Like, it's a pretty nice jacket. Black, it's super oversized. That is what I got at Goodwill. Then I went to this vintage shop called Lucky. I found some 90s vintage jeans. They're by Calvin Klein. They're like a really nice light wash. These were $32. Then my favorite thing I got of this whole day is this really cool shirt. It has that totally vintage feel to it. It's so cute.
I really like the sleeve length.
It's long enough to be a dress, so it could be kind of like a t-shirt dress, and it basically has this old vintage Husky logo on it for the University of Washington. So that is what I got so far. This is what I'm wearing for my first day of all thrifting. You're gonna have to excuse the mess. My life's a little bit of a mess right now, but here is the full look. I feel like it's kind of 90s looking. So this is the thread up t-shirt. I love this so much. It's the perfect color. It was $7. It's great. I tucked it into these jeans that are from a vintage shop. And that's basically it. The first, we're kind of starting it off a little bit boring. For shoes, I'm wearing my Rothy's, and then just some gold jewelry, because I love gold. It's That's my favorite.
With this first outfit, I love how comfortable it was. I was afraid by thrift shopping I would have to compromise my personal style for what was available, but there's a little bit of everything out there, and I was able to create something that I would actually wear. I love tying a knot in my shirt. I paired it with a gold necklace and some old sneakers. My total cost for this outfit was $32. On Tuesday, I wore my vintage t-shirt dress and jean jacket. I paired it with some Nikes to make it a little more of a sporty, edgy look. I will admit this outfit was a little more on the expensive side, and none of it was from Goodwill. This was a little more out of my comfort zone, but I did really like it.
For today's thrifted outfit, I'm wearing this gold top that I got at the Goodwill. I think this is like my favorite thing that I got out of all of my trips.
Yeah, I really like the color.
This was at Goodwill and it was $7.99. It really just looks like something I would get at one of my favorite stores. It's really cute, perfect summer staple. Love that. And then I'm wearing it with these jeans from the vintage shop and some sandals and these earrings and just this little necklace. So I'm actually headed to the Goodwill right now to try and find a couple more things because I'm halfway through the week and I already feel like I don't have enough bottoms. Like I need maybe a skirt or something. So we're gonna head over to the Ballard Goodwill. Ballard is like hipster central, so I'm very curious if like it's gonna be good or not. I feel like it would be good, but it might not be, who knows? Can't believe that. I found so much good stuff. This is the best one I've been to yet. I found something from Aritzia and it's really cute. It's a sleeveless cardigan. It's from the Wilfred brand. It's in this like nice white color, perfect for summer. It's like kind of wrinkly and probably unwashed and low-key gross, but I'll wash that baby up and she will be as good as new. Like I found stuff that I was like, wow, I actually really like that. Whereas when I very first began this, I was like, it's okay. This is like okay. Like I don't love it, but like it's fine. But today I found stuff that I was like genuinely cannot wait to wear this. Couldn't even find this brand new. I am so stoked. That was a really good trip. Like that's what thrifting is all about. I got this t-shirt. This is by the brand Marine Layer, which I've seen at malls before. So I quickly looked up how much this shirt would cost brand new and it's $45. That's how much their shirts go for. I got this for $1.99. I found these ones. They're from Zara. They're just a 3/4 crop that flares out. I love this style. I think it's so cute. I found this shirt. It's by Tweeds. Never heard of that brand, but it's an orange linen fabric. I think it's linen. And lastly, my favorite thing that I got, I just think this is so cute. It's this polka dot red dress. It's got like this nice slit, cinching and ties on each side, and then in the middle it ties as well. Like I've actually seen Reformation sell a dress very similar to this and I really wanted it, but it was like $200 or something. This is originally by Topshop, which is an awesome brand, and this was $14.97. So yeah, I got some really awesome stuff. I'm gonna throw it in the wash now, but I'm very excited about it.
On Thursday, I wore my new Marine Layer tee that was only $2. Like freaking deal of the century. I cannot believe it. I paired it with my Canadian tuxedo-esque jean jacket getup from Monday, but I did switch up the jeans for this cropped flare pair that I found the day before. I'm obsessed with the style. It's so great for summer. I already had a pair like this in my wardrobe, but I just kind of wanted to see if I could find dupes of things that I already loved, and sure enough, I could.
I don't know why someone got rid of this shirt. It's so cute and it fits perfectly. It's Friday. We made it to the last day of me wearing thrifted clothes for the week and I'm so excited. I'm gonna be wearing my favorite thing that I got, which is this dress from Topshop. Today's my boyfriend's birthday, so we're gonna go out to like a nice dinner. So I wanna dress nice. I was saving this for tonight. And yeah, so I'm gonna wear this and I'm gonna pair it with my Gucci heels. Okay, so here we have it. Oh, I love how this is just like super long. It has a lot of little tie detailings. It has one here, it has one here, and just this nice little polka dot. Very comfortable, love a good maxi dress. The slit really makes it amazing though.
So after buying all these new clothes, it's time to get rid of some stuff myself.
I'm actually pretty ruthless when it comes to donating clothes. You know, when you just look through your closet and you have the same clothes in there that you never get rid of because you're like, but it's really cute and I like it, but you continue to pass it up every time you have a chance to wear it because you just now have new things that you like better. It's time to get rid of it. So this is an example. This is a tie top. It's from Grady Melville. It's really cute. I really like it. I had some good times in it, but I just don't wear it anymore. Like, I just have things I like better. This was from Urban Outfitters and it's really cute. Oh, God, it would go really well with this jean jacket, but I just never wear it. Like, even with Spanx, you can like see like underwear line type things. Like, I don't even know why they make things like this. This is so cute. I didn't even get a chance to wear it. I let my friend wear it and then she washed it and it shrunk and it doesn't fit either of us now. Tie top from Urban. It's really cute. Just don't wear it anymore.
Challenging myself to switch my wardrobe up to secondhand clothing really changed my point of view. We're always looking for newness and variety, especially in our clothes. But why waste your money on something new, as well as contribute to one of the biggest forms of waste in our world? I know I'm so far from perfect, but at least being aware of these things and trying to make a change is a good first step. This was me trying to get a thumbnail photo, but I promise I did donate these clothes. By the way, if you live in Seattle, I gave it to the Ballard Goodwill on June 18th, so go and try and find it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving this a thumbs up. It really does help support the video, and subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well if you're like really feeling it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.